So this is an example for if else statement, so which is a conditional operator. So we will start this. In a company, an employee is paid under as follows. So in a company, employees are paid, and we are discussing about it. If his basic salary is less than rupees 1500, so if his basic salary, so employee has a different sections in salary, that is basic salary, then he is like a car allowance or washing allowance, or what we can say, there are different allowances with basic salary. So if his basic salary is less than rupees 1500, then HRA is equal to 10% of basic salary. So HRA is one of that allowance. So then HRA is equal to 10% of basic salary, and DA is equal to 90% of his basic salary. That means HRA and DA are 10 and 90% accordingly if his basic salary is 1500. Now next statement. If his salary is either equal to or above rupees 1500. So if it is equal to 1500 or above 1500, then HRA is equal to rupees 500 and DA is equal to 98% of his basic salary. So this is second statement. If his salary is either equal to or above 1500, then HRA is rupees 500 or rupees 500 and DA is 98% of his basic salary. This was second statement. Now third statement. If the employee's salary is input through keyboard, write the program to find his gross salary. So we have to make a program in which we have to use scanf function. So if employee's salary is input through keyboard, write a program to find his gross salary. So we have to find a program in which we find employee's gross salary. So this is flowchart for the statement. So first block is start, then the arrow is pointing toward input BS, that is we have to take input BS is basic salary. Now we have to take input from user or employee or the person who is entering data through keyboard. So we have to take input from him. Now input BS, that is we have to uh, take input of basic salary, that is BS. So then it is pointing to is BS is less than 1500. So this is conditional statement, that is if else. Now we have BS which was taken as an input. Now we are comparing it with number 1500. Is BS, that is basic salary, is less than 1500. So if it is less than 1500, then HRA, so in right hand side we have a block in which HRA is equal to BS, that is basic salary, into 10 divided by 100, and then the arrow is pointing towards DA is equal to BS into 90 divided by 100, which is 90% of basic salary, and HRA is equal to basic salary into 10% of basic salary. So if it is less than 1500, if BS is less than 1500, then HRA will be 10% of basic and DA will be 90% of basic. Now if BS is not less than if BS is not less than 1500, then HRA is equal to 500 and DA is equal to basic salary into 98%. So both inputs are given to GS is equal to, so this is a formula for gross salary. So the gross salary GS is equal to BS, that is basic salary, plus HRA plus DA. So gross salary equal to basic salary plus HRA plus DA. Now we have to print gross salary. So here we have gross salary saved. Here we have gross salary saved and we have to print it. So we are giving print gross salary, that is GS, and then finally stop. We are stopping.